Guys, trucks and water here. Now in this video we'll be going a complete overview of part one of my Tacoma build. I have a 2022 Toyota Tacoma SR5 V6 four-wheel drive. So if you're new to the channel, this is my second truck. I have a Chevy that currently just want to run, but we're not going to go there in this video. But this is my second truck. This is my daily slash like my other build that I'm doing. So we'll start off with the simple stuff right off the bat. We've got 5% window tint all the way around the truck and on the back. We have a 35% windshield and a 5% sunbrow that comes down to right here on the truck. So that's about 2% up there with a 35, rest of it's 35% windshield. Step bars did come on the truck. Other body mods I have done is the blacked out badging all the way around the truck right here. And then I've got the color match caps on the back. They were chrome with the blacked out badge, like I said, all the way around the truck. Rough Country roll-up tonneau bed cover. And up front, we have, for lighting purposes, we've got a 30-inch DRL light bar with the DRL running lights and normal light bar mode right here mounted behind this little grill. In the lighting department, I've got 10,000 low beam, 10,000 high, 10,000 fog, and a white LED beta testing, a white LED bulb for the turn signal slash marker signal slash all the time running lights. Also with Boost Auto's 6 high mod. So what that does is when on a stock truck, when you flip your high beams on, low beams and high beams come on. With a 6 high mod, your low beams, high beams, and fog lights will stay on too. So you've got, so right now with just that setup with all the lights on, it's 30,000 lumens going down range. With the light bar on, with the high beams on, it is 42,000 lumens going down range. 12,000 lumens is the light bar. That pretty much does it for the exterior slash lighting. So we'll go up under the hood. Up under the hood, we got red line tuning, hood strut, but both four corners. I have to use this stupid little old style thing. We also got a Rough Country cold air intake. It helps out with the truck breathing a whole lot better, a little bit more horsepower, stuff like that. We also have RIP supercharger coils. And again, a lot more power out of this motor with those coils. A lot better spark and a lot more like oomph to get up and go. Like makes it a little bit faster, I guess you could say, if you want to call it Tacoma fast. Then we've got a JL oil separator catch can right here. I empty that out every 5,000 miles. And that pretty much does for the underneath mods of the motor. Nothing real too crazy, nothing real too fancy, but it gets the job done. Interior wise, nothing really. I've got a TRD Pro shift knob on my truck, the organizers for inside the center console, organizers for inside the glove box. Other than that, nothing really, and a pew pew magnet right there. But that pretty much does it for the interior. For the meat and potatoes of this video, as of the last video, it is sitting up on a 3.5-inch Rough Country coilover lift kit on 33-inch Falcon Wild Peak AT3 tires. This kit is freaking awesome. I've got about 300 miles on it at the filming of this video. At 500, I can start messing with the clickers and stuff like that because it's braking. It absolutely looks phenomenal on this truck. It looks so daggum good, so beefy. 8-way adjustability on the front coilover, and then 8-way adjustability on the back rear shocks with the massive reservoirs on the back. So it looks absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Tires have about 1,000-mile braking periods, when I'm told by a lot of people, until they really smooth out and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, they ride fantastic. They say they'll ride even better after about 1,000 miles. Really gets the truck up in the air. Like, it's a whole lot bigger in person than I can kind of prove it on camera. It does. It just looks so freaking good. Rides really good. Before I lifted it, I could get about 25 to 26 miles to the gallon. Now I'm averaging around 18 to 20. I haven't gone on a long road trip yet to see how it will road trip. But other than that, it doesn't really hunt gears really. It drives really, if you drive responsibly, it's not that bad. But it looks so freaking good. So that pretty much does it, guys, for part 1 of this build. I will be coming out with a more in-depth video on this is the perfect daily driver setup slash daily setup later on, so stay tuned for that. And also there will be a MPG run on the new setup, the 33s and the 3.5-inch lift, just to compare it to the stock setup that I've done before. Again, stay tuned for that. But yeah, part 1 is pretty much done, guys. I've had the truck, it'll be a year in May, so under a year I've transformed it into what you see right now, and I can't be any more thankful for you all. You all have contributed to this, and I can't be any more thankful for that. It looks good, guys. You can take these Tacomas and make them look so dadgum good. Don't worry about if it's stock at the moment. That can be changed. These trucks have infinite possibilities, guys, on what you can do to them. Don't be afraid to get out there, try some stuff, try different kit and stuff like that, but they just look so dadgum good. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.